everybody. All right, so today we're going to make, what are we going to make today, Ainsley? We're going to make a strawberry yogurt pie.
Hi.
My name's Jillian. What's your name?
Ainslee.
Ainsley. And Ainsley, how old are you?
6.
6. So Ainsley's my daughter, and she's going to help me today make our strawberry yogurt pie. So we have some wonderful fresh strawberries that we actually went and we picked yesterday at the farm. So they're nice and tasty and sweet and juicy, right? What we are going to need is we're going to need a half a cup of diced strawberries. And Ainsley's going to show us, I'm going to show her how to be able to do it, and then she's going to fill this half cup measurer with the diced strawberries. Then you need 1 container, which is 8 ounces, of our light Cool Whip, which you don't have to use this name brand, but just the whip topping.
And then you need
2 cups of Greek strawberry yogurt, a mixing bowl,
spatula.
yep, a spatula, and then a graham cracker pie crust that's already made. We bought that in the grocery store, so it's already done. So that way Ainsley can pretty much do this whole entire thing by herself. So you can flavor this any way you want, but strawberry is in season right now, so that's what we decided to do. So these have been washed and dried, and we're going to take the green stem off of it. It's called hulling the strawberry. You always are careful, we don't want to get our fingers, right? So nice and gentle, and then you're going to just do flat side, and you're going to cut it in half, and then you're going to cut it in half again, and then you have these nice diced pieces, and you're going to go ahead and put that inside of your measuring cup. While Ainsley's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and open our yogurt. I do Greek yogurt because it's a little bit thicker, has less sugar in it. If you can't do sugar at all, then you could always buy the sugar-free, or this would even work with dairy-free if you wanted to do a dairy-free yogurt, and now they sell a dairy-free whipped topping out of coconut as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to just add all of this stuff to the bowl, and then from there, it then goes in the refrigerator and gets nice and cold, and you can have it for the next day or even that night. But it just needs a couple hours in the refrigerator. You could even freeze it if you wanted it really frosty and really cold. All right, so go ahead and you're going to dump your strawberries in there. You can start, remember how to fold in nice and gentle back and forth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's not coming out. It wants to stick it. It's too thick. It wants to stick.
We're going to add this entire container of Cool Whip. This stuff is very yummy, and it's actually pretty good for you. It makes a good dessert. No, you can't lick it right now.
Yeah.
Afterwards. All right, so you start mixing. You want to make sure you get all the way to the bottom, and then we'll show you what it's going to look like. And then we're going to go ahead and maybe I'll do a fancy little decoration on the top, and we can put it, yeah. And then we'll put it in the pie, and then that's going to be it. A nice, healthy, easy spring dessert. All right, you want me to get the very bottom?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can help me put, so what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of fold from the bottom all the way to the top so that we don't break those strawberries up. So you have the strawberry yogurt, the fresh strawberries, and then the lightness. So it's almost like yummy ice cream, but not as much fat, and it's definitely way healthier for you.
We can cut that off, and then we can put it like that.
I'm going to show you how to do a fun flower. Okay? So Ainsley, go ahead and move our pie crust over to your cutting board. And then how about you hold the bowl and I'll pour it in. You hold up here. There you go. And we're going to pour it in, and you can see how yummy and thick it is, and it's so fluffy, light. This would be a great Sunday dinner dessert.
Is it Sunday?
Not today. Today's Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
But when you do, and then Ainsley, go ahead and you're going to push it out, and you're just going to kind of even it out a little bit. Yeah, just like that. We're going to push it all the way to the edge just a little bit so that it's nice and even, so that when we go to cut our strawberry pie, everybody gets some of the exact same strawberry amount. Okay? So, you can take it as a whole strawberry, and you're going to go and you're going to make long little lines laterally through our strawberry, but we're going to leave the top on, and then you can fan it out so it looks like a pretty little strawberry fan decoration. The other thing we could do is if we want to really add some pretty to it, is watch, and then you can add some of this. We're going to do slices, and we could take and we could decorate the edge of our strawberry pie. So everybody knows that it's a strawberry pie.
It's like two little flowers sitting with each other.
I think we should come up with a name for our cooking channel. What should our cooking channel name be? You don't have anything good?
Mom and Sweetheart?
Mom and Sweetheart? How about
Child and Mom.
Child and Mom cooking show? So what do you think? You think that was easy enough that everybody at home can do it? Yes. I think one more strawberry. Not even quite. We'll do a small one. We'll finish out. If you ever have leftover strawberries,
You can eat them.
You can eat them, or you could freeze them, or you could add them into anything else. Here, let's move this one just like that. All right, so Ainsley, look. There's our strawberry yogurt pie. Thank you. Enjoy.